Okay, before my hair gets messed up and there's plastic cups everywhere, I need to warn y'all. Like and subscribe, because I'm getting close to the 100th vlog. And let it begin. Now let's do some trick shots, my dude. Dude. Ding. Did it actually? Oh, it didn't go in. Let's keep going. That's a nice little gash. Whoa! And it went in. Let's go! Oh, got a blast! Spin. Spin. Look at that. Ultra fast. Spin. Wow, look at that. A fan spins a fidget spinner. Oh. Okay, my dad is calling me and I can't get this off, so I have a problem. Is it gonna look weird if I, casually just walk around with this thing on? No? Alright. See you tomorrow, guys. Well, maybe. If this vlog doesn't go to crap before I leave.